What are voice assistants and how do they work?
Voice assistants are digital tools like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri that recognize and respond to voice commands. They use advanced speech recognition to interpret your requests, then act accordingly, whether it's answering questions, setting reminders, or controlling smart devices. By listening for a wake word, they offer hands-free control and real-time assistance for a variety of everyday tasks.
How can voice assistants streamline daily routines?
Voice assistants simplify routines by letting you set alarms, timers, and calendar events just by speaking. You can check your schedule, update your grocery list, or get reminders for appointments in seconds. This hands-free approach helps reduce time spent on small tasks, keeps you organized, and lets you multitask more efficiently throughout your day.
How do voice assistants help manage a smart home?
By connecting to compatible devices, voice assistants let you control lights, thermostats, and appliances using simple voice commands. You can dim the lights, adjust the temperature, lock doors, or turn on coffee makers, all without lifting a finger. This integration creates a smoother, more productive home environment and can be especially helpful when your hands are full.
Can voice assistants help with information and learning?
Absolutely. Voice assistants can answer questions, provide news updates, spell words, or even read recipes aloud while you cook. This makes them a convenient tool for quick research or learning new skills, allowing you to access useful information instantly without interrupting what you're doing.
Are there any privacy or security concerns?
While voice assistants offer convenience, it's important to be aware of privacy and security settings. These devices may store recordings of your interactions to improve their responses. You can manage your data through settings in the device's app, delete voice history, and limit permissions to protect your personal information and maintain peace of mind.